Hey there, Jeffrey here, a beauty director here at Sephora.
Hi guys, it's David, another beauty director from Sephora.
And if you can't tell, the holidays are here. Well, at least they're here in spirit.
They're here. No, they are here, full force.
Everybody should be shopping. At least if you aren't,
yes.
This video you want to pay attention to because we've got all of the amazing holiday gifts that we're going to be sharing with you guys at Sephora.
Yes.
The cool thing about Sephora this season is we for sure have gifts for everyone. Everyone at Sephora.
And every price point.
Exactly, at amazing value.
Yes.
So I think what you'll definitely notice in this video is there's somebody for a gift for everyone on your list, and for sure you're gonna do it at an amazing value.
Yes.
So if you're really excited about the holiday and you wanna hear about some more fun and exciting gifts, stay tuned.
Okay, so first up, from Kiehl's since 1851, this is their Bright Delights. It is a collection of their greatest hits.
Yeah, best-selling skincare for sure.
Best-selling skincare, and also, because it's called Bright Delights, it's actually products that give you brightness, radiance, super hydration. You know, you've got their Midnight Recovery Oil Concentrate.
This is a super targeted treatment that you want to use at nighttime.
Overnight results.
Amazing results.
Results, like in the morning.
For sure.
Glowing skin. Incredible. We've got their Ultra Facial Cream, which I love about this is that it was tested like on adventures.
Yeah, like
so like they sent it to like the top of mountains to see if like snow climbers could like retain the moisture and it like pass the test.
Perfect for the holiday season, especially because you know we're going out into the elements. It's getting really cold outside, and you want to make sure that you're protecting the skin. So this is a really great set.
And then of course there's like their mud mask and also their eye treatment, which has the avocado oil in it.
So delicious.
Tons of really good hydration, great skincare, a great introduction to the brand, and a great value for what you're receiving. I just think this would be a fantastic gift for anyone who loves skincare, anyone who's looking for that glow on their skin, a little bit more youthful radiance.
Maybe that New Yorker in your life.
That New Yorker. Kiehl's is a New York-based brand.
Yes, I know. You used to go by there all the time,
All the time, by the original store.
Totally cool.
It's a great brand, a great gift, great value.
Thank you, Kiehl.
So what do you got?
So from Fresh, we have the Round Trip Ritual Kit. So basically, this is going to be travel sizes of all your Fresh favorites. So inside, you're going to get a mini of the Soy Face Cleanser. You get the Black Tea Age Delay Eye Cream, Lotus Youth Preserve Face Cream, which is really great for all skin types. Really great daytime moisturizer, perfect for makeup prep. You're getting the Rose Face Mask to treat yourself this holiday season. Oh my God, it smells like a dream.
Yeah.
And then a mini of their cult classic Sugar Advanced Therapy lip treatment.
And I love what they did for the holidays, which was all about travel. And like Fresh was all their holiday stuff is about like going on a trip somewhere, going with your family. And this is sort of like, if you're traveling a lot, these are the essentials that you need to keep your skin hydrated, cleansed, moisturized, and looking good.
This is perfect for TSA. Literally, you could take all 5 of these products, toss it in a to-go bag, and you're on your flight. Oh my God! She stole it!
I will, thanks!
Okay, kid, what you got next?
I was just gonna do the same thing! Holidays.
Coco.
So up next, we've got a good one.
Oh, cute!
I'm gonna give you one.
Okay, this is from Rihanna.
These are Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, and this is their 3-piece metallic lipstick frosted lip sets.
I love the little case.
So cute. Look at this. Look at that.
It reminds me of like a little gum packet, you know, like want one to share.
Yes,
you know,
totally.
like want one to share.
Do you need a lipstick?
Here
you go. These are so cute. I love them. It is the Mademoiselle sort of little packaging, but obviously in a great holiday.
Yeah, this
really
so
cool
hot.
colors. One is for day, one's for night. I think this one's called Snow Nights.
Yeah, and I have Snow Days.
Snow Days. Really cool shades. Like, I'm obsessed with this. It's literally a gun. Let me do it here where it's better.
I kind of have this gorgeous like metallic pink shade here. This would be really, really nice, I think, for a New Year's party or something like that. That and a little sparkly eye. This would be nice.
Yeah, those.
Yeah.
I feel like the day kit is like pretty, like easily wearable, like for anything. And the night kit is a little bit more like, oh, you're ready to make a statement on the holidays. I mean, look at those. So cool.
Look at fierce. You could even use these like as a transformer shade if you wanted to.
For sure. Throw it over something, a really cool gunmetal, a blue. I love them.
So
What
you
a
can see
great
here,
gift.
These are the 3 colors that come in the day set. So you get a
That's
really pretty
good.
gold, the pink, and then that really beautiful kind of like fiery terracotta color
That
there.
pink is great.
So nice.
Take the pink and the gunmetal, mix them together.
Okay, fancy.
We're getting
wow.
fancy now. I
love
love this. I think this is such a cute gift. And everybody's into Fenty Beauty right now. So anyone that you give this to is going to be like, what?
Perfect size for stocking stuffer.
Totally.
Or just maybe like you could wrap this in a small little gift. I think it looks really chic, like a little jewelry box. You wouldn't know what's coming to you when you got this box.
Or if you love Fenty, just get it for yourself.
Exactly. I mean, that's the name of the game. That's always the name of the game for holidays.
That's the thing in holidays. It's limited edition. You're not going to see these colors again.
Yeah.
So get them now because you're going to regret it when you see it on social media later and you're like, oh, why didn't I get that color?
Exactly.
Now you can get it.
Okay, so next up from Huda Beauty, we have another cute little stocking stuffer.
Cute.
This is the Topaz Obsession eyeshadow palette. Now, these have made a huge splash on social media.
Yeah.
There's tons of colorways.
They're
but
really
this one,
good.
Yeah, this one's really beautiful. You've got 9 shades that you can kind of mix and match to create any look for this holiday season and beyond.
I love that mustard color.
Yes, I'm really feeling like yellow is going to say something next year for sure. So definitely get into that for sure. And you've got some fun like mixed textures. So you've got like some beautiful top coats in here and some mattes that you can kind of balance out the look with.
Her formulas are really good. Her palettes are so coveted. This is a great like on-the-go palette, but it actually has 9 shades in there. That's a lot.
It's really travel-friendly, super versatile. Again, like you could use this for day, night.
I was just saying, I could create like 1,000 looks with this palette alone. Like it's so easy to work with. And again, Huda Beauty, a coveted beauty brand right now. So especially your makeup junkies, your big followers of the makeup.
You're gonna get extra points.
Extra points. They're gonna be like, oh my God, I wanted that. Fantastic. Love it.
What's next?
Okay. So up next, we have fragrance time.
Of course.
Holidays is a great time to gift fragrances. I think it's actually probably the time when most people discover the fragrances that they love because somebody gifted it to them.
Of course.
You know? It's like such a good time. So Sephora Favorites, a classic. This is the Sephora Favorites Holiday Perfume Sampler. We always have whatever category it is, we have a Sephora Favorites for it, and it's always so well curated.
Yeah.
It is truly the best of the best. It is a way to discover like
new products that you never would have known you like.
Totally.
Yeah, and then this season, we've curated a lot of amazing favorites kits. I mean, this one is just one of them, but be sure to stop by store and check them out because they really make a great gift every season.
And this one's got everything in it. You got Atelier, Burberry, Chloe. I mean, there's so many. Prada, Yves Saint Laurent, Versace, everything. But what's great about this in particular when it comes to the Sephora Favorites, especially with the fragrance kit, is, so here's how it works. You get the trial size, so you can try everything out, but then there is a card in here, so you can redeem it for a full-size bottle of one of the fragrances that you love the most. So you're actually getting a full-size bottle along with this whole kit.
Right. So when the person opening it, they think they're getting this, when in reality, they're actually getting a full-size fragrance, which is really cool.
So the value in this is incredible. It's incredible and just stock full of the best of fragrances.
And truly goof-proof because the person is picking their favorite. So
100%.
There's no way to mess it up. It's a perfect gift.
And it's just fun, you know? Who doesn't love to try new, you know, if you're into fragrances, you're going to want to try new things. So it's, for me, I have so many people that I can give this to that I know it's a successful gift. It's such a great gift.
For sure. Okay, so from Toka Fragrances, we have 10 Days of Toka Advent Calendar. I love advent calendars around this season because it's literally like a brand new gift every day. So basically you can kind of open it up, these little windows, and you can see there's little gifties inside each little window, including a little mini size there. So cute.
That one's so cute.
Yeah, so nice. Let's see what's in this one.
I know, I was like, I gotta open it because I think it's
Another
a hand cream.
Hand cream.
That's so
this
cute.
One is definitely, this one's a hand cream as well. So definitely you've got some really fun little travel sizes of all of the best-selling Toka fragrances. Now what's really cool about Toka fragrances is they're all named after, you know, women that are inspired us throughout history, which is really, really cool. So if you have that woman that's really kind of motivating you, this would be the perfect gift for them.
Yeah, that's a good one. That's a really good one.
Love it.
So up next, we're back to makeup.
All right.
with a tried and true, a brand that always does it for holiday, Too Faced.
Yes, I love Too Faced Holiday. And I have to give a shout out to Elise for the videos that they've been producing. So cute.
She's adorable.
She's getting me in the season. I love it.
This is the Too Faced Dream Queen limited edition makeup collection. So this is a palette, but they don't just ever give you just a palette.
No, they give you like all the accoutrements.
There's always accessories with it. So I love this. I'm going to pull everything out because it is quite a lot in here. So first off,
there's a bag and everything.
You get the palette. The palette comes with a bag. You want to open that up?
Fancy. Yeah, this is really nice.
So cute. Cute bag. Here's the palette. Great. What I love about the palette this year is it's sleek. It's very contained, but it's packed.
Oh, wow.
With great shadows.
Again, amazing value
Amazing.
already. Like, you open that up and I'm like, wow, that's so many eyeshadows.
Yes. And what I love that they do is these are usually limited edition. So these are interesting colors that they sort of created. You might not ever see them again. So, you know, if you're really loving this kind of color right here, which I am because I'm going to stick my finger into it.
It's called Holy Grail. That's so cute.
Amazing. I'm always attracted to these sort of duochrome.
Like shifty shades.
Shifty.
I love it.
But it's a lot of wearable colors.
And then some fun bolds.
And then some fun brights that you can really get into there. I didn't get enough on there, but that is like, ooh, girl, I love that.
So gorgeous.
But then they also have the face on the side. So you get some highlighters, some blush, some bronzers. They're known for their bronzers.
And then in the kit, you're going to get their Better Than Sex mascara. So you get the mascara to finish off the eye look. And then you get a Pink Swan lip gloss that is absolutely
That's gorgeous.
Stunning.
Gorgeous. It's a shift. It's a shift of pink and gold. Like,
I'm sorry, I have
It's really, really beautiful. I was playing with this before and I was like, wow, that's a great color.
Gorgeous. You
really good.
Yeah, that would be a beautiful top coat on top of any lipstick.
Or just even on its own, it just
totally
makes your lips look so festive and fun. And also it comes with the mini hangover primer and setting spray, which is awesome.
Oh, cute.
Yeah,
perfect.
A little bit of everything.
Yeah, I love that.
So good. Too Faced always does holiday incredibly. You guys killed it this year. Great gift.
You definitely put me in the holiday spirit.
Yes, always, every time.
So next up, we have another goodie from Sephora Favorites, and this is the Superstars Everyday Must-Have set. So in here is, again, amazing value because you're getting all of our best sellers at Sephora. So these are our top selling products that you're going to gift to that person to try. So basically, it's like the best of. So inside this guy, you're going to get a lot of amazing goodies. Wow, look at that. Oh my gosh. So basically you have all the best of Sephora. There's some full sizes in here. He already died for the first one.
I just see it. I pulled it right out. Like mine.
Oh my goodness. This is Stila Glitter and Glow eyeshadows. They're definitely a fan favorite here.
They're my favorite.
Yeah, for sure. Then we've got like a Becca highlighter here. Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. I mean, welcome Charlotte Tilbury to the mix. You're jumping right into the holiday sets. I love it. Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. There's a setting spray again from Too Faced. We've got a full-size Brow Wiz and Perversion from Urban Decay. There's a Dior Show mascara, so you can kind of pull out those lashes with your look. There's a Fenty Face Primer, a lipstick from Kat Von D, and then this is the new Glow Powder from Laura Mercier.
Yeah,
right?
it's really nice.
Yeah, so this is the Glow Setting Powder from Laura Mercier. So basically, you could use everything in here for pretty much a full face.
Yeah, just throw your foundation in and you're good
to go.
You've got a full holiday face year round.
Yeah, I love it.
That's amazing.
So, and as always, you know, these are the best of the best.
Yes.
So, for those clients that are out there looking to give somebody like all of our favorites, a curated assortment of the best of Sephora, this is where it's
yeah, it's an easy gift. It's an easy gift.
Yeah, I love it.
Yay. All right, so finally, hair care.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
So the final category, hair care. So from Way, we have Swing Both Ways. So oh my God, Swing Both Ways.
Tongue in cheek.
Okay. This is actually really smartly packaged and done. So this is two of their best sellers right now. This is their texturizing hairspray and their hair oil.
Right.
So the texturizing hairspray is like a dry shampoo meets a hairspray.
Right.
So that's great for creating those sort of messy, undone, cool girl, dry texture, like those cool editorial sort of fashion-y girl looks. And then you've got your dry oil, which is great for those sleek, chic ponies and sleek, shiny dews. So it's either way you want to go. Do you want to be a little dirty? Do you want to be a little clean? Which way do you want to go?
I
think it's so smart. I think it's so cute. It's just great. So many people love this brand.
And just a call out, it says this is a limited edition,
extra large size.
That's really cool.
Because the hair oil is actually usually only about that big. So it is a quite large size of the hair oil. And I just think it's great. I think this is such an easy gift for your hair fanatics, you know, those people out there that just love to sort of play with their hair. It's great. And the brand does so well. So people love this. It's an easy, sure shot, you know.
I love it.
Yeah, I thought it was such a good package.
So you know, I had to pull, we're on the last gift. So I had to pull out all the stops for this one.
Yeah, literally, you're going to pull your back out, lifting it.
No, it's actually really light. It's actually really, really light.
I know it is.
This is the Glitter Gang set from Drybar, and it's actually got the most gorgeous, glitterati buttercup blow dryer I've ever seen in my entire life. This is so cute. I have to have this.
Using this.
I have to have this. But this is so amazing. Basically, you get their best-selling buttercup blow dryer, which is super lightweight, very powerful. Gives you a gorgeous, quick dry. And we've known and loved it. So if you get Drybar blowouts when you're in the salon, this is actually the blow dryer that they use for the blowouts.
Yes, and it's not just so you guys know, it's not like pressed
glitter. Is not loose.
So it's not gonna you're not gonna get glitter everywhere using this.
It's glazed over.
Yeah.
It's gorgeous.
It's protected, so you'll never have glitter on your hands. It's just really beautiful.
Right. You're also gonna get a round brush in here. You're gonna get the detox dry shampoo. You're also gonna get triple sec, which is their texturizing paste and some cute little like hair ties. And then you get this is the glitter spritzer, which is actually a fun product that they release around holidays. It's like a glitter hairspray. So cute.
Yeah, and what's good about that glitter hairspray is it actually comes out pretty easy.
Yeah, you can literally just brush it out.
Yeah,
right.
it's not
really easy to work with.
Yeah.
So I think this gift will be perfect for that girl that's always at Drybar Salon and wants to take the service home so that she can try it by herself.
Yes, exactly.
This is a really, really great gift.
Or boy.
That's
really
exactly. Too. Hey.
I know you're going to use the glitter blow dryer, so I'm not even going to pretend.
for my little bitty hair. I'll make it work somehow.
Well, that's it. That's all the products we have.
Yeah, so much fun hanging out.
I always want more. Whenever we do these holiday things, I'm like, I'm ready for the next product.
Yeah,
but there will be another one, I'm sure.
For sure. We've got lots more stuff headed your way. So be sure to stay tuned to the channel if you want more gifting ideas. And then also, as always, be sure to subscribe and comment to the channel. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already.
Yeah, because you want to see new videos from us every single week. And also leave the comments in the section below because I love to hear about the gifts that you guys are super excited about in the holiday sets and stuff like that because it's fun. I mean, I think we all get excited at the holidays because it's the holidays, but if you're a beauty junkie,
it's like
it's
next
the
level
time.
Moment.
Like I tell everyone, it's the time. For me, it's when I stock up on those limited editions. It's when I stock up on things for value. It's just a great time of year for beauty in general.
And like we've said it once, and we'll say it again, get it now.
Yeah, because they're going to be sold out.
If you like it, get it, because they will be sold out by the end of October. So we love you guys. Definitely, yeah, for sure. If you want it, get it.
Okay, guys, we will see you soon, and there will be more holiday on its way. But until then, enjoy your day, and we'll see you soon.
Bye.